What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time since I showed my face on this particular channel. Wow, like bro, I've been busy running around, man. Like bro, like that's just it now. So probably as you guys have seen the title, today guys I'm going to be showing you guys how to design a church flyer. But by the way, I'm not going to be doing it. Like we both are going to be watching a tutorial on how to design a church flyer. So why am I just saying so? Okay, so I'm still repeating the same thing. Like what? Yeah, we're going to be watching a tutorial on how to design a church flyer. So that when it comes to designing is subjective. Like, yeah, even like the main purpose of we watching all this tutorial just to learn more about the tools, like see how other people are making use of those tools will not get make use of. Just watch their action and reaction. That's just the main purpose of all this watching this tutorial. That is why you see some of my videos usually speed that, because like you can't teach creativity, like I keep saying. I don't, how am I even saying, who am I to say that? I don't know what's out there yet, but like it's just so you have to. I feel like creativity is something that you need to develop yourself. That's just how I see it as. Like it's something that you need to develop yourself. It's just for you to watch, see how they make use of all these tools and just take note of them. So when in a scenario whereby you're using your own, you can be like, okay, you can just take an idea or a particular section from it tutorial whether okay, they use this flower, they put it here, something like this, they give them like this. Okay, well, let me try it on my own with something else. Like what's going to be the result? When it even comes to like using your blend tools on Photoshop, those kind of thing. So the main purpose here is just to like get inspired, I would say. That's why most of my video I'm going to be releasing now, like it's probably going to be speed art, because I feel like that is what's easier to make. Yes, it's more easier to make, and sure it might say it's not educative in any way, but I'm just here to just inspire you guys, and you guys should just like, the main purpose of this channel is just for you guys to watch my design journey. Like you can go to my bios and like yes, you just watch my design journey, so just to inspire you guys. So I'm not going to be showing you guys the normal day on how I watch tutorial, because I'm not a master myself. Like I'm still learning the same way you guys are learning too. So like let's just learn together, I guess. So I'm not going to be watching the tutorial. I'm not going to be giving some hints, some reaction. So guys, if you're interested in that, like stay tuned, and if you're new to this channel, like you can feel go ahead and subscribe, and make sure you give the video a thumbs up. Now let's get to the video.
In this video, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step process of how to design a church flyer.
So quick one guys, you guys should go and follow Innocent K Boateng. He's one of Africa's biggest graphic designer on YouTube, I would say. So you guys go and follow him. All his old content are very educative, guys. Go and check him out, guys. I really learned a lot from him. Big ups to you, Innocent. If you are privileged to see this video, guys, big ups to you, Innocent. Really appreciate your work.
For online service, just like this one. And this is coming up. Hello everybody, and welcome to the channel once again. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new here, please hit on the subscribe button. If you're old here, thank you so much for showing up. So as usual, a link to download all the resources that I'll be using in this video will be in the description. Be sure to check it out. Now let's jump right into Photoshop. First things first, you're going to have to create a new document. So you go to File, New, and then you're going to create a new document of 4x4. You're designing this for.
So guys, like I said earlier, you guys should be taking note of the things occurring here, and just be not just for you just watch through, like just see what other people's just see what other people are doing and just take note, guys. Like that is just the essence of watching all this tutorial. Just for you just take note of them, guys. Like as you can see here, for example, he's making use of a 4x4 the same page layout, and which is just a perfect square just for online purposes. Like you guys just take note of all this thing occurring. Not necessarily for you to copy, but just for you to just take note, I would say.
Social media, of course, this time around coronavirus is here, so no physical meetings. We are doing it all on the virtual side. So Click OK, and then you're supposed to have something like this. Let's add a gradient. So you come to the adjustment layers over here. You left click and then you go to the gradients. I'm going to use a.
As you can see, the first thing it's doing is just building that background first, which is like, even if you even watch my design too, you will see that I also follow the same principle, building up that background first. So like all these things occurring, like the background is just like the foundation of the whole design. So it needs to, you know, I don't know what to call that, but you guys should just follow and just take notes. Take notes. Watch what's why am I just watch what other people are doing and just take note of the things that is just reoccurring. If you watch my design, I also style my background. Like all these kind of things are the things that you should just take note of.
Gradients that I've already set. I'll leave the hex codes in case you want to use that. Now, this is the first hex code if you want to use it right over here. And this is going to be the second one. If you want to use that, it will be right over there. So you click OK and then you click OK over here. I'm going to maintain my angle to 90% and change this one to radial. And I'm going to reverse it right over here. Now I'm going to decrease this one up to about 70%. And
you don't even need anybody to put you through on how to use Photoshop. Just by you watching this now, you should be learning on a few things. Like now, you should already know how to use this your gradient fill. Like that is how you learn. It's not even that someone must sit down with you and hold your hand. Just by you watching this now, you already know that okay, this is the way to make it a fountain fill. You can just easily customize the color to your own liking instead of you making use of this exact color you used here. Like that's how you learn. Instead of you using the radial images of under your style, you can really change it to linear or square or whatever, change the angle. Like that's how you learn from others. Like and just customize your own as you go too. That's how you learn.
then whilst this one is selected, you can easily drag this to any point or any position at all. So it's a simple trick here. So I would want mine to be around here because that is where I'm going to have the test. But in case we would have to readjust, I think we can do it in the subsequent steps. So you go ahead and then you click OK. Head over to your resources and
So guys, something just quickly came up, guys. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm going to be leaving a link of this particular video down in the description so you guys can watch it. Like I've actually recorded a video previously, but I forgot to hit the record button. Like it's just so dumb, guys. It's just so dumb. Like that is just the struggle of being a YouTuber, guys. So what I'm just want to say here is that you guys should just go and watch the tutorial. I'll leave a link to it in the description below. And just by what we've learned, I'm going to use that to create a church flyer for my next video, guys. So just watch out for this, guys. I'm so sorry for not being able to watch it through with you guys. Like I've already done that, like I said, but that's just struggle being YouTuber, guys. So like see you on my next video, guys. Stay tuned.